镜头来美国，美国纽约是美国东部上界闹热的城市之一，嘛是美国人口上侪的城市之一。也毋过有研究即马是显示讲，这座城市因为楼仔厝一栋比一栋还佫较悬，厝基甲遮尔啊侪，又佫悬又佫重，当年拢在沉，甚至有可能会规个落落去。
美国纽约全是摩天大楼，几百万栋的建筑物相继重，地势规个城市地层当咧落落。搁在纽约市海平面冲悬的速度是全世界2倍以上，未来恐惊会来发生亲像海水倒悬这款严重的灾害。
It's inevitable the ground's going down, the water's coming up. At some point, those two levels will meet, but I just am not able to give you a date.
帕森是讲，超过100万栋的建筑物分散伫5个行政区，总重大约有7.6亿公吨的暗文土、金属和玻璃这建材，可比是4700栋帝国大厦重重缀伫地球顶。其中部分大楼起伫布鲁克林、Queen、甲曼哈顿市中心，土质较软性的地区，落落的速度更较紧。
The mid-continent's rising and the eastern seaboard is sinking about 1 to 2 millimeters a year. That's the primary signal we see. But superposed on that are other things. We have different kinds of soils across New York City, including artificial fill that was put in to enhance some of the land areas, and that can sink just under its own weight because it's so poorly consolidated.
帕森斯讲，虽然落落的速度真慢，也毋过纽约部分地区落尾也是会因为水泥，亲像电影《The Day After Tomorrow》海水倒灌的场景。未来恐惊真正会发生，也那纽约是毋是变做美国版的威尼斯？帕森斯讲，确实的时间点也毋知，可能阁需要数百年的时间。毋过伊的研究毋是咧吓惊人，敢若望用科学数据，伫问题变大进程。先采取行动，公视新闻新6倍编译。